Let's go! You just ordered your Tesla or just took delivery of it. You are now one step closer to the future. A Tesla is like no other vehicle. From the ordering process to taking delivery of it to just simply how it drives, it is a truly remarkable vehicle. With these differences, there is somewhat of a learning curve. My ownership of my Model Y is coming up on the 1-year mark, and there are a ton of things that I have learned after driving my car nearly every day. In this video, I'll be going over the 8 critical things you should do right after you order or take delivery of your Tesla to ensure the most optimal and seamless transition. So let's get into it. First and foremost, you want to inspect your Tesla on delivery day. This has been a long time in the making and you're excited to finally get behind the wheel of your Tesla, but it is important to carefully inspect your Tesla for any fit and finish issues it may have. It's easy to overlook any imperfections or just to brush them off with the excitement you have to finally take delivery of your Tesla. Tesla has been improving the issues over time, but small issues still pop up here and there. Tesla will certainly fix any issues that are present, but it's important to point them out on delivery day so Tesla knows it's from them and not normal wear and tear by you down the line long after delivery. Tesla will also let you report any issues that may arise within 72 hours or 100 miles, whichever comes first. But I've heard that they are lenient when it comes to shortly after delivery. Nonetheless, it's best to find any inconsistencies or issues early on to ensure that they will be fixed. I will leave a detailed checklist below for the Model Y and 3, along with the Model S and X to further assist you with your delivery process. The next thing you want to do is to consider getting paint protection film and/or a ceramic coating. Paint protection film, or PPF, is a thin plastic layer that goes over the paint and adheres to it. It is nearly invisible to the car and it is designed as a sacrificial layer so that when rocks hit it while you're driving, you're not damaging the paint of your vehicle. With Teslas, since they don't have a grille, you're prone to more rock chips with this extra real estate on the front end of the vehicle. I decided to get PPF on the front bumper and hood just as a peace of mind so I don't have to worry about rock chips or anything of that sort potentially damaging the paint. I installed it myself and saved a few thousand that I would have otherwise spent getting it done at a shop. It's really easy to do and I'll link the PPF kit in the description below. Your car is also exposed to all kinds of elements such as UV rays from the sun, dirt, debris, and salt from the road, along with tree sap, pollen, and bird droppings. All of these things are going to damage and fade your paint, causing it to become oxidized. If you want to protect it while not getting PPF, I highly recommend you get a ceramic coating. Ceramic coating contains silicon dioxide, or SiO2, which is an incredible hard-like glass polymer. The result is a thick, glass-like layer on top of your clear coat, protecting your vehicle from the elements. It forms a hydrophobic layer, making it not only easy to wash your vehicle, but also protect it. One thing to note is that a ceramic coating does not protect against rock chips or anything harsh of that sort. That is where you would have to opt for PPF. I found it really easy to apply this ceramic coating since I did not have to do any paint correction or anything of that sort since my car was new when I took delivery of it last year. I'll leave a link below in the description to some ceramic coatings that I recommend. For the Model Y and 3, Tesla used to include 1 year of premium connectivity for free. Now, they have reduced it to only 30 days of premium connectivity. Connectivity is an important part of all Tesla cars, further enhancing the driving experience by providing access to features that require data usage, including streaming music and media, live traffic visualizations, and more. Premium connectivity provides the ability to access all connectivity features over cellular in addition to Wi-Fi for the most intuitive and engaging ownership experience. Premium connectivity is available as a monthly subscription of $9.99 plus tax or as an annual subscription of $99 plus tax and can be purchased at any time from your vehicle touchscreen or your Tesla app. What you want to do after taking delivery of your Tesla is to explore all of the premium connectivity features to see if you'll be needing it later on when the free trial runs out. You don't want to pay each month for something that you will not be using, so it is important to maximize the free trial period to see if you really need to tack on another monthly subscription later on. For me, this is something that I would purchase given the low price point and all the benefits you will be receiving from it. The next thing you want to do after taking delivery of your Tesla is to set up your phone key. For the Model Y and 3, Tesla provides you with 2 key cards, but the most convenient and easiest way to access your vehicle is a phone key. The phone key will automatically unlock and lock the doors and start the car without having you to pull out any key cards or press any buttons. I keep a key card in my wallet as a backup in case my phone starts acting up or if my phone runs out of battery. I have not had any issues with the phone key in my 1 year of ownership, but it's good to keep the key card on you just in case as a backup. What's a Tesla vehicle without the proper accessories? I made an in-depth video on the best accessories for your Tesla, and I'll leave a link below in the description for you to check out. Notable accessories such as a screen protector for fingerprints and scratches, to mud flaps to protect against potential rock chips to the rear doors are things that you would want to have ready for your Tesla. Other accessories include all-weather floor mats and other various must-have accessories for your Tesla. I will link all of the accessories links in the description below for you to check out and be prepared for your Tesla. After taking delivery of your Tesla, you want to make sure that your Sentry Mode is set up and ready to go. Why? Well, Sentry Mode is an anti-theft feature that allows a Tesla vehicle to monitor suspicious activities when it's parked and locked. When suspicious motion is detected, the vehicle will react, recording from all angles of the car by utilizing the built-in cameras. All new Teslas come with a 128GB thumb drive to record Sentry Mode events. You will be able to review the footage from the center screen or by simply plugging in the thumb drive into another device. A lot of people purchase an SSD instead of using a thumb drive because of the constant rewrite that Sentry Mode does. An SSD offers the best performance for dashcam and Sentry Mode when compared to the general use of flash drives and SD cards. SSDs are also less prone to reading errors. I will leave a link below to an SSD that I highly recommend. The next thing you want to do is to make sure that your home charging situation is up to par. The most convenient place to charge your Tesla is at home overnight. Plug in when you get home and let your car charge while you sleep. You no longer have to take trips to the pump with a gas-powered vehicle, and you can utilize low overnight utility pricing during off-peak hours, saving both time and money. You have a few options to choose from. The first is the most basic with a mobile connector. This plugs into your standard 120-volt outlet and it charges at around 3 miles per hour. This used to be included with all Teslas, but it is now a $200 option. The next step above is to have a 240-volt outlet similar to your dryer outlet installed, and it will charge your Tesla at around 30 miles per hour. The third and best way to charge your car is to have a Tesla wall connector installed. This charges your car at 44 miles per hour. It is the best charging option for your home and allows you to keep your mobile connector in your car as a backup for when you're out on the road. The Tesla wall connector used to be $500, but they have dropped it down to $400, and it does require installation by an electrician. The final thing to do is to get in your car and just drive it. Enjoy your brand new Tesla. You have been waiting for this day for several months now and it's finally here. Get to know your car and don't be afraid to push it a little. Of course, be safe and don't go crazy, but fully utilize every feature and enjoy the driving experience. Again, congratulations on your purchase of your Tesla and welcome to the community. You are now one step further into the future. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you found these 8 critical things helpful and useful. Leave a comment below about your experience or any other things that you personally found helpful after delivery that were not mentioned in this video. Thank you all for watching and I'll see you in the next one.